First, you're going to do this Fred the Monster's adjectives worksheet. And on the sheet it says to use the adjective bank, which is here on the right, to describe Fred the Monster with adjectives. Put your answers in the text boxes. So, I could use these words over here to describe him. So you're just going to simply write those words right here in the blank, and then I'll mark them out so you would use them at the same time. So red. I'm going to say that Fred is red. All right, and then you're going to fill in the rest of that. Now at the bottom it says to write a sentence using one of your adjectives to describe Fred. So I am going to put Fred is red as my sentence. You cannot use my sentence, so if I catch you using my sentence, then you are going to have to make your own whenever I see it. Fred is red, and every sentence ends with a period. Remember, you cannot use my sentence. Next, you're going to read this story and fill in the blank to answer the questions. Make sure you look in your passage. And then lastly, we're going to work on sight words a little bit. You're just going to read it, A, spell it, A, and then you're going to write it on the lines. Now, you do have to use handwriting lines, so make sure that your A stays between the dotted line and the bottom line. If you do not write it correctly, I will give it back to you to do it neater.